Hi, I'm Carrie Nash. What's your mortgage IQ? I'm on a mission to increase your mortgage awareness. And the reason that is so important is because it's a very large financial transaction and likely the largest one you'll make in your lifetime, whether it's purchase of a new home or whether it's a refinance. So we're in episode 4, which means you're ready for the next step. You've educated yourself on the process, you've gathered your financial documents, your tax returns are filed, your W-2s, you have your pay stubs, and you have your bank statements. So the next thing is to find your mortgage professional. Now, most people would say, well, I just look for the lowest interest rate and the lowest fees, right? No. That's not necessarily the only thing. Those are very important, but you need to make sure that your mortgage professional has your interests best at heart, that there isn't another agenda for them. And sometimes that can be hard to find, and it's by trial and error, quite frankly, unless maybe you go with references of friends and family, which I highly recommend, because if they've had a good experience from start to finish, likely you have the same opportunity. You can look at the Better Business Bureau. I highly recommend that. Look at Google reviews. People want to share the good experiences as well as the not so fortunate experiences or those unfortunate experiences. So go with recommendations.